Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming a couple of everyday items into a powerful, versatile tool for your kitchen. I'm started with this dull knife that barely cuts a tomato, as you can see. It also struggles to slice through a simple piece of paper, proving it's definitely in need of some serious sharpening. Now I have an idea that will bring this knife back to life for the secret ingredient. I have 2 old spark plugs here. I'll take one of the spark plugs and mark the top ceramic part with a pen, outlining the section I need to remove. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Next, I'll secure the spark plug firmly in a vise. This is crucial for safety and precision. Now, using an angle grinder, I will carefully cut away the marked ceramic top. This process will expose the inner core, which will be the abrasive surface of our sharpener. It's important to be slow and steady here to avoid damaging the core. See? The ceramic top is now removed, revealing the perfect sharpening surface. Now, I have a used paintbrush. I need to remove the metal ferrule and bristles, as I'll only be using the wooden handle. Using a pair of pliers, I'll carefully pry open the metal band and detach the bristles. The wooden handle is what we're interested in. After removing the metal clip, I will use a pen to mark the positions where the 2 small screws will be installed later. I'll take a piece of wood and place it under the brush handle to protect my workbench. Using my drill, I'll carefully create 2 holes where I made the marks. Once the holes are drilled, I'll mark a V-shaped groove in the center of the handle. This groove will guide the knife blade for consistent sharpening. Next, I'll clamp the handle firmly in a vise and use a hacksaw to carefully cut out the V-shaped groove. This step is essential for creating the precise angle needed for effective sharpening. And there we have it, our customized brush handle, now with a perfect V-groove. Now for the assembly, I have 2 small screws and 2 ceramic pieces from the spark plugs. I'll insert the screws through the holes in the brush handle and then thread the ceramic pieces onto the screws. I'll make sure they are tightened securely using a nut and pliers, but not too tight to avoid cracking the ceramic. The spark plug ceramic acts as our sharpening stone here, providing an abrasive surface to hone the blade. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Once both ceramic pieces are in place, our DIY sharpener is almost ready. Now, I'll secure the completed sharpener in my vise, making sure it's stable and ready for use. I slowly sharpened the knife blade on my homemade sharpening tool. The blade was in contact from end to end, ensuring even sharpening in a consistently sharp edge. Now for the moment of truth. I'll test the sharpness of the knife on a tomato. Look how smoothly it glides through, creating perfect, thin slices. The difference is truly amazing. And now for the paper test. See how it effortlessly cuts through the paper? It was sharpened very well. It glided smoothly across the paper. This homemade device truly works wonders. Watch this. It slices right through without any hesitation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.